Hey guys, thank you for clicking onto the video today. In this video, we'll be stripping the engine bay of all the wires, cleaning up all the dirt, getting it back to white, filling in some of the holes, and we'll see how far we get to in this episode. So make sure you stick around to the end to see our progress so far. Let's get started.
I'm starting off by pulling out the engine bay wiring loom. I'll disconnect all the wires and then unbolt and remove all the relays and fuses. This will allow me to pull all the wires through the holes.
As you can see here, I've taken out the clutch and the brake master cylinder. All that's left is the wires, which will end up getting taped up and bagged out of the way because I'm not going to pull them through the firewall. I need to unbolt the steering arm. Then I'll just run some sandpaper, a wire brush, clean up all the dirt and everything, get it ready so we can start shaving the engine bay and then get some undercoat on it. Right, now, out it comes. Start on cleaning up the engine bay.
This old snorkel hole is no good. It's affecting the support at the front of the body and it's not going to be needed. To patch the hole, we'll use some sheet metal shape to fit the hole and then cut the support piece out of another GQ body to weld into place.
It used to have a snorkel on it, so we had to patch this hole up because we won't be using this hole for the snorkel. We welded a plate behind it and then added the support back in to make it nice and strong so it doesn't crack.
These battery trays always rust out. We'll be removing this as the battery will be mounted behind the cab and we'll need to stop it from rusting out more. We sprayed some rust treatment on it while we continued to remove the tray and supports. The shock towers in this body have cracked up at the top of them, so this is getting replaced as well. And then the process of shaving the engine bay can begin. Behind where the battery tray was is where all the relays and large cables are hidden. So to make this a little nicer, we'll make a new side to the box with some sheet metal and a couple cool tricks for some extra reinforcement and looks.
Hey guys, thank you for watching to the end of the video. It's been a long time. Sorry if the video was all over the place. The videos you just saw were filmed over 8 months ago, back in January. I have heaps of footage I need to edit so you guys can see what we've done to the truck so far. It has come a long way in the past 8 months, but you'll have to wait a few more episodes until you can see just about everything we've done to it. Anyways, I hope to catch you in the next video. Have a good one. See ya.